Thank you for joining us tonight for the study entitled 2021, the Year of Total Restoration from the Law and Order series with our master teacher, Apostle Jeremiah Cummings.
God bless everybody. I'm just looking over so many notes tonight, and God is really moving in my life and Dr. Gloria. And I know many of you who have been watching and listening to us, you've been blessed. As a matter of fact, the comments that we get during the week, like Sister Barbara Moore in Philadelphia, and just so many people, Michael Jordan up in Massachusetts, and Ambassador Joe Thomas and Steve Thomas down in Mississippi. And we get so many comments during the week on the word that is being taught. Nothing fancy, just the word. And the word of God should give us vision. The word of God the vision to me means looking forward to something. And it should give us vision. And another thing that it should give us is a spirit of expectancy. A spirit of expectation. I expect things. When God says that He will restore everything as good as new, I look forward to that. Because I had some stuff torn up in my life. I had some things taken away. I lost some things. And I know you have too. But God said,